And so I have a theory that what is the real currency? Is it a dollar? Is it a Bitcoin? Is it a Litecoin? I think in today's knowledge-driven economy, the real currency is the knowledge and the skill one possesses. But the challenge is, how do you measure somebody's knowledge or a skill? It's not easy with just a multiple choice standardized test. So that's where technologies like AI and blockchain will play a very important role. So let me just give you a quick overview. So today, AI is a big buzzword, and when you talk about AI, you hear a lot of different terminologies and technologies like natural language processing, computer vision, neural networks, and performance of these technologies have also ventured significantly. So for example, speech recognition technology today is 95% accurate compared to a human performance, and that has resulted in a significant amount of investment interest from VCs in the AI industry. Last year, I wrote a blog post on how AI will transform education industry, and you can read more about it on VentureBeat if you're interested. But some of the key areas within the education industry where AI can play a key role are on the administrative side or the academic side, whether helping a student select a course in a college, or once they are in a college, how do you help them perform better by providing them tutoring or assessments and instruction. And also other investors and analysts predict that the AI in education industry is going to grow at 43% annual rate. So there is a huge opportunity to disrupt this $1 trillion market. So similar to the AI, blockchain technology will also play an important role because they can help you certify students when they are looking for a job. So in a distributed ledger, you can put the credentials of the students, and employers can easily find it. But in order to do that, you would need to do assessments and credentialing technologies, like how do you evaluate if a student is knowing certain things or not. So for example, you can use AI to automatically grade their answers and give them feedback. Also, you can use AI to provide competency-based certificates and badges which are relevant to the competencies that the employers are looking for. So let me talk briefly about my company's vision and what we are doing. So our mission is to improve the quality and affordability of education with the help of most advanced technologies. And let me give you a context on where the education is and where it is heading. So everybody agrees that the best quality of education takes place in a personalized one-to-one environment where there is one teacher available for each student. But the reality is that you are in a classroom with 30 students, or in a large lecture hall where there are like 300 students, or in today's environment, online learning environments called MOOCs, or massive open online courses, where it's not possible for a professor to give one-to-one feedback to each and every student. So some of the best technologies or pedagogies that have shown to be improving the learning outcomes are asking students open response questions and giving them tutoring feedback. But these are also very expensive pedagogies if you rely only on the human support. For example, if you want to assess students' learning through open response question in a 30-student classroom, a teacher would have to spend around 20 hours a week on just grading and marking the scores. And that's very expensive, and tutoring is even more expensive. So generally, when you see education system, you start to see a degradation in the quality as the scale of the size and implementation increases. And so instead of relying on better quality pedagogies, you start to rely on simpler forms of assessment like multiple choice questions. And so my company's goal is to improve the quality irrespective of the scale of education. And the way we are doing this is based on technologies like AI and virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa that people are very much familiar with. So you can converse with Alexa or Siri and ask questions, and you can come back with an answer. But my company is trying to do slightly different. So instead of AI providing an answer, AI asks you a question, and the user has to answer it, and then the AI will give a feedback and assessment. So it's a personalized tutoring system that uses open response for grading and provides analytics that are rich and in pedagogical terminologies. So let me give you one example demonstration here. So the student is learning about civic education, how a citizen can participate in government. So as the student answers the question, the system is providing them with a score. for example, here the student says every citizen can vote, and the system gives them a score and a feedback, and the feedback is helping them to better. Similar to the K-12 education, AI can also be useful in medical training or any other adult education environment. So for example, here a student is learning with the help of AI how to perform or diagnose a patient. And AI is acting as an expert doctor who is helping a medical student. So in addition to generating rich analytics that the students can benefit from, our technology is also applicable across the space. So we work with the varieties of education partners, whether they are in the K-12 or higher education or in a professional environment in many different subject areas, like science or social studies. And behind the scene, our product uses technological natural language processing that can analyze the students' written answers using syntactic, semantic, and deeper conceptual analysis to reach a performance that is equal to or very close to the human performance. Like we have reached 96% accuracy compared to the human. And in many of our controlled studies, we have found that the students really like working with AI to learn something. So we are one of the best student satisfaction rating. And likewise, professors who have used our product, they feel like this is solving the big pain point. And my company has won several awards for our unique innovation. For example, the most innovative EdTech product of the year award. And we are mentioned in many different reports for our innovation. So in a nutshell, AI and blockchain technology have a great future to play in terms of transforming our education experiences. For example, we can use AI to help students learn better and therefore improve their learning outcomes. We can also use AI to improve the teachers' efficiency and productivity by giving them tools. And for the schools and colleges and the governments, AI can be a tool to allow them to scale high-quality education at an affordable price. So that's Cognii, my company, and that concludes my presentation. Thank you.
Good job, Dee.
Thank you very much, Dee. It's such interesting work. Thank you very much. So have a safe flight. Such interesting work with artificial intelligence in the education space. So it's fantastic, fantastic work that they're doing. This intersection also of artificial intelligence and blockchain.